This 2026 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 22 MLWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a Umber Luxe interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, oven, external shower, microwave, slide-out, smoke detector, spare tire kit, water heater. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear bath, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.